Hello guys! If you're wondering where Nausicaa is, she's not here. Don't worry about her. Where'd you come from? You
I
scared
just
me.
came back from my concert and it was so amazing. Anyways, I'm here to help you do the
What?
video.
Oh,
Here to help you do
okay.
the video.
Oh my god, where's the box? Did someone steal it? Oh my god! Oh, that's
You got
scary.
it.
Whew, almost, oh, it did hit my head actually.
Okay, so what's this? Can you
so
read?
this is a Loot Crate Marvel Gear Plus goods from Marvel.
From Marvel. Okay, let's see. Whoa, so satisfying.
I learned something new today.
Okay,
Again.
let's see what there is.
Okay, you want to get the first stuff or I do?
I don't care.
Yeah, you can put
Oh,
on
I
the shirt
will.
this time.
I know, right? Okay, look. So then this is She-Hulk.
That fits me.
And she's green. And
oh, there's a She-Hulk.
yeah, so this is the girl Hulk. Okay, so let me put it on because I'm a girl and he's a boy. So I'm gonna put this on.
Technical
Caleb can't move.
difficulties.
Keep looking at. Keep
Caleb,
looking
you
at no, you
can't
have to look at. You have to look at Chloe and Nausicaa. Don't move.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, action. Okay, so here it is, and it looks amazing.
Too big for you.
Now watch me wet. Now watch me night night. Now watch me wet. Wet. Now watch me night night.
Yeah!
Hey. High five.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we
Next
have.
thing. I have no idea what that
Oh,
is.
a poster.
Oh yeah, I want to see.
I can't open it.
Pull it out.
Oh, it's like a telescope, I think.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you see me, guys? Do you see me? Do you see me?
I don't
you see
think
me?
they do.
Okay, let's pull it out. Okay.
Oh.
Let me hold
This is
this.
difficult.
Technical difficulties.
Oh my god. Marvel Captain Marvel.
Okay, I don't.
I have no clue who this is.
Yeah, we'll find out later, but I'm pretty sure it's a she. She looks very powerful and strong.
Yeah, I think she's like lightning
And yeah,
too.
and if you like have some art skills, maybe you would know that maybe the person who wrote this signed right here. Wait, can you hold that? Signed right here.
Use the magnets. Stick it to the wall.
Let's use the magnets so then it'd be easier. Okay.
Maybe we should use it for
Get up. Magnets over there. Up there.
Oh.
I'm blind.
We're not done with the video.
Okay.
So then here it is, and some of you artists might know that maybe this is the signature of the person who drew this.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's see what's next. My turn. Okay, so we have this badge, and I'm pretty sure it's Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
I'm pretty
Oh wait,
sure
no,
it's
it's
Wonder
this. No, it's not.
It is.
Woman. No.
It
Oh,
is.
wait. Captain Marvel. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so that's her, and then we'll just leave that right here.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. The Unbeatable Squirrel Girl. Okay,
So it's a book or a comic book.
probably a comic book. Oh, it's a
Oh, it's just a drawing book, probably.
yeah, blank
Just-
pages.
There's nothing. Okay. Next we have this right here. And it is
Comic book.
yeah, a comic book. Which is pretty cool and it looks really good too.
Okay, so now we have the bookmark. Marvel bookmark. Okay, I can't.
It's fine, that's me.
Okay, oh, I think it's the Wasp.
Okay, and then next we have one last thing.
Pin.
Yeah. Okay, so then we can review this. And then here's the stuff we have. And then you can take a moment, pause the video, and see if we got everything. And I'm counting on you. Okay.
Yeah.
So, thank you for watching today's video. Please punch that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.